Hi, Mayan. Have you talked to your mom about the overnight study session for our activity sheet in the oral communication subject at my house?
Yes, I have. But she won't allow me to go because it's on Thursday and we have classes the day after that.
It's not on Thursday, Mayan. It's going to be on Friday night.
Oh, I must have misheard you on the phone because I was scrolling through my TikTok when we talk about it. I'll ask my mother again.
Okay, I'm hoping you'll be able to make it so we can finish our oral communication activity sheet.
Who is the first sender in the given conversation?
The first sender in a given conversation is Inday.
What is the stimulus of the given conversation?
The need to finalize the oral communication activity sheet.
Who encoded the stimulus?
The one who encoded the stimulus is Inday.
Who is the receiver of the first message?
The receiver of the first message is Mayan.
Did May Ann give feedback?
Yes,
What was the feedback given?
Mayan informed Inday that her mother won't allow her to attend the study session on Thursday because of class the following day.
After May Ann gave feedback, what happened?
Inday clarified the date of the study session, Friday night, and Mayan realized she had heard wrong due to a distraction on TikTok. She agreed to ask her mother again.
Was there a breakdown in Inday and May Ann's phone conversation?
Yes, there was a breakdown between Inday and Mayan's phone conversation.
What caused the miscommunication between the two when they talked over the phone earlier?
Mayan was distracted by TikTok and misheard the date of the study session.
Was the given conversation successful? Why or why not?
Partially successful. While the miscommunication was cleared up, the ultimate success depends on whether Mayan's mother allows her to attend the Friday night session. The initial miscommunication was resolved through clarification.
What is linear communication model? It is a type of communication that only occurs one way. It is limited interaction between the two parties. Two distinct ways linear communication model improve the communication process is by the speaker to focus his or her message. Number two is the practicality it allows because it only allows one message to be delivered, thus avoiding any misunderstanding between the sender and the receiver. Now, what is interactive communication model? It is a type of communication model that is more on mutual understanding. Each person can act as a receiver and a sender. There are two distinct ways interactive communication model improve the communication process is by the participants of this communication can both actively participate. Number two is they can get deeper understanding of the topic. Examples of these are online forums, text messages, conversation between two or more people. Transactional communication model. Transactional communication model views communication as a continuous and reciprocal process wherein all parties involved can act as a participant simultaneously. Also, it involves constant feedback and adaptation regarding the context. Two distinct ways it improves the communication process is by it encourages both senders and receivers to provide feedback. It promotes clarification, validation, and mutual understanding. Number two is it encourages active listening, where the receiver provides feedback and demonstrates their understanding. Examples of these are group discussions, meetings, and brainstorming sessions.